Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade vitamin C serum. First, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder, which is pure vitamin C. Next, measure out 1 teaspoon of distilled water. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin ready. These simple components will form the base of your effective fresh serum. Now let's mix your serum. In your dark glass bottle, combine the 1/4 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder with the 1 teaspoon of distilled water. Stir well until the powder completely dissolves. Then, add the 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. This helps with consistency and hydration. Mix everything gently until you have a clear, uniform solution. Applying your new serum is easy. After cleansing and toning your face in the morning, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully before applying moisturizer or sunscreen. Regular use can lead to brighter skin, reduced hyperpigmentation, and improved skin texture. To maintain potency, store your homemade vitamin C serum in the refrigerator. It's best to use it within 1 to 2 weeks. If you notice the serum turning yellow or orange, it means the vitamin C has oxidized and is no longer effective, so it's time to make a fresh batch. Also, for other great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.